Okay, here's the Module 4, Part 2 review. Isaac lives 3 miles from school. School ended at 3 p.m., and Isaac began his walk home with his friend Tate, who lives 1 mile away from school, in the direction of Isaac's house. Isaac stayed at Tate's house for a while, and then started home. On the way, he stopped at the library, and then hurried home. It's helpful to underline some of this stuff. So, he stayed at Tate's house for a while. And then Tate lives, Tate lives 1 mile from school in the directions of Isaac's house. Okay. And then he started home. And then on his way home, he stopped at the library. So the library was next. And then finally he made it home. The graph below is a piecewise defined function that shows his distance from home during the time it took him to arrive home. Okay. So this part is him going to Tate's right here. 1 mile from the school. Okay. And then the next part, I think I'll color code this. He stayed at Tate's house for a while. And we can see he's not going anywhere there. And then he started home after that. That's this little piece. And then on the way home, he stopped at the library. That's this little stopping point there. And then he hurried home. We'll do that in purple. Okay, that should just make the problem more simple. Okay, how much time passed between school ending and his arrival at home? Well, time in hours is on the x-axis, and we're going from 0 to 3.75. So if I have 3.75 of an hour, I would have 3 hours. And then remember, 0.75 is 75%. So 75% of an hour is going to be 45 minutes. So you would say that that's how much time passed between his school ending and the arrival at home. How long did he stay at Tate's? Okay, that's the green section. So my green section goes from 0.5 to 2.5, so 2 hours. Please put these in complete sentences. I'm just trying to make this video not last forever. How far is the library from Isaac's house? Okay, so the library. So what color was the library? The library was blue. So this is when he left the library. And then here's where he gets home. So how far did he travel? Well, I have distance on the y-axis, so he's going from here to here, which is 1.5 to home, so 1.5 miles. Where was Isaac 3 hours after school ended? Okay, so the question is, where is he here 3 hours after school? He's in the blue section, which is the library. Use function notation to write a math sentence expression that says the same thing as question D. So you would just say that f of 3. So remember, this is asking where is he at 3 on the x-axis. He is at f of 3. He's at the library. Or you could say f of 3 if I was talking about the y-axis, which is probably what this one's talking about. F of 3 is 1.5 miles from home. When is he walking the fastest, and how fast is he walking? Well, this is slope. So the only time he's actually really going anywhere is the red, the yellow, and the purple. So which one, the question is like, which one of these has the fastest slope? And I can tell right here that this one is going down the sharpest. So that would be on his way home from the library, I think. Yeah. And then how fast was he going? You'd have to get the slope. So the slope is rise over run. So So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that would give me this, which is -3, but this is speed. So this would be, he's walking 3 mph. Okay, let's see. So we talked about this one in class a little bit, about the inverse and doing the opposite of how we made the sandwich. So we also did that in class with like a morning routine, I think. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop this video there, and I will start video 2.